It's 291 days until Christmas 2025 and I've said yes to hosting. So today is day 41 of doing a minimum hours work on the house so we can hopefully meet that goal. Today we carried up 15 plasterboards upstairs for the main bathroom, which was a job in itself as our stairs don't go straight up, so we had to pivot our way up there. I obviously set my watch as this was a workout. We also started the stud work in the main bathroom. This will be the recess next to the bath. See you tomorrow.